All right, so today I'm going to go over how to multiply polynomials. So the first thing that we have here is we have a binomial, 3x plus 1, and we're multiplying that to a trinomial, 2x squared plus 9x plus 6. So I'm going to start by distributing the first term here, which is 3x. So 3x times 2x squared is 6x to the third, because 3 times 2 is 6. X to the first times x to the second is x to the cubed, or x cubed. Then I'm going to distribute to this, so that's 3x times 9x, so that's 27x squared. 3x times 6, that is 18x. I'm going to switch colors just so you can see. Now I'm going to distribute the 1, and I'm going to, there's a couple ways you could do this. You could just write it all in one big line like I like to do, which is 2x squared, distribute this and get 9x, distribute this and get 6, okay? I have seen some people where they line it up. So we had 6x cubed plus 27x squared plus 18x. And then when they got this 2x squared, they would have lined it up with the x squared, the 9x here, and the 6 here. And the reason for that is you can just add straight down now, and those are your like terms. So you'd have 6x cubed plus 29x squared plus, what is that, 27x plus 6. And there is your answer, okay? If you did it, I just write it all in one big line. If you did it like this up here, I look for my like terms, and this is 6x cubed. There's no other 6x cubed, or no other x cubed here, so I'm done with that. Then I have x squared. Here's another x squared. That would get me 29x squared. I'm done with those. Now I have 18x and 9x. So what is that? 27x. And last I have a plus 6. So notice either way you do this, if you line up the x squareds and you line up the x's and you line up, your common or like terms, you're going to get the same answer. So let's try a second one. Okay. This one has a trinomial times a trinomial. So we're going to distribute essentially 3 times because we're distributing a trinomial. So here's x squared. Let's do 2x to the 4th. I'm going to try this where I line up the common terms, and I'll show you. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed. X squared times -1 is -x squared. Let me switch colors and now distribute this one. -6x. I've got to make sure I pay attention to that negative so I don't make any mistakes here. So -6 times 2 x squared is a -12x cubed. -6 times 2x is a -12x squared. -6 times -1 is a positive 6x. And now the third thing I'm distributing is a negative. I make mistakes with negatives all the time, so again, just be wary of that. -3 times 2x is -6x squared. -3 times 2x is -5x plus 3. So go ahead and add your like terms here. This is 2x to the 4th minus 10x cubed minus, what is that, 18, 19, minus 19x squared plus 1x plus 3. And there it is. That is multiplying polynomials.